As Delhi battles dangerously high levels of air pollution, the Supreme Court has questioned the state government over the delay in implementing Stage 4 of the Graded Response Action Plan or GRAP. The court emphasized that Stage 4 measures should remain in force even if the air quality index drops below 450 in Delhi NCR. What is GRAP and why has it been imposed in Delhi? GRAP is a set of emergency measures designed to prevent further deterioration of air quality when pollution levels cross specific thresholds. Approved by the Supreme Court in 2016, GRAP was developed after extensive discussions among the Environment Pollution Prevention and Control Authority or EPCA, state government representatives and environmental experts. The plan follows an incremental approach with actions becoming stricter as air quality worsens. Stage 1 is triggered when the AQI is in the poor category between 201 to 300. Stage 2 is activated when the AQI reaches the very poor category, that is between 301 to 400. Stage 3 is enforced when the AQI falls into the severe category, that is between 401 to 450. Stage 4 is the strictest measure, which come into effect when the AQI exceeds 450, indicating a severe plus or emergency category. Why is Stage 4 of GRAP imposed now? Stage 4 measures have been imposed in Delhi as the AQI has exceeded 500 in several areas, signaling hazardous air quality. Key measures under Stage 4 include banning the entry of trucks into Delhi, except those carrying essential commodities, halting all construction and demolition activities, closing schools to safeguard children from harmful exposure. These measures aim to curb pollution sources and protect public health during this critical period.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today Newsmo.